Hey there, welcome back to UserQ. Once you've built your test, the next step is recruiting your testers. You have two options: recruit from the UserQ panel or invite your own participants for free. If you opt for the UserQ panel, the cost will vary based on the number of testers you need and your chosen methodology. Let's dive into recruiting from the UserQ panel and customizing your participant selection. Start by specifying how many participants you wish to recruit. As you adjust the quantity, you'll see the total credits required displayed here. You can recruit testers based on various factors like nationality, residency, and many more. One important thing to note: adding too many filters can slow down results, so we recommend limiting it to 3 or 4. Now, move to the next step. Participants who meet your specified criteria will advance to the screening questions. Screening questions are valuable for gathering information not covered in demographics. If you have specific requirements, this is your opportunity to outline them. For example, if you require participants with a driver's license, pose the question, "Do you have a driver's license?" with answer choices yes or no. Then select the relevant action for each response. You can include up to 3 different screening questions with single-choice answers. Those who pass will proceed to take the test, and these testers will be included in your final cost. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our friendly support team at support@userq.com.